The UOTKD Cordless Vacuum Cleaner boasts an impressive suction power of 50,000 Pascals, making it highly effective at picking up dust, debris, and pet hair from various surfaces, including carpets and hardwood floors. With a runtime of up to 65 minutes in its eco mode, this vacuum cleaner allows for extensive cleaning sessions without the need for frequent recharging. Its extra-large 2-liter dust cup ensures that you can clean larger areas without needing to stop and empty the container frequently, enhancing the cleaning convenience. The self-standing design of the vacuum provides added convenience, allowing users to pause cleaning without having to find a wall or stand to lean the vacuum against. The LED display is a useful feature that provides real-time information on battery life and suction modes, while also alerting users to any potential issues like blockages. Offering robust customer support, the vacuum cleaner comes with a 3-year technical support plan and a 30-day return policy, providing users with peace of mind.